you got to motivate that team. I'm gonna be honest, which I wish I could tell you, you could come in here and give them a bunch of tasks and say I'm out. That doesn't work that way. Not on exceptional teams. Now, if you're on a team that they don't appreciate you motivating them, they don't appreciate you having leadership, then that's probably not going to be a really good team for you because of the fact of you're there to lead, you're there to inspire, you're there to motivate. Now, when I say motivate, I'm not saying it in a cheesy type of way. I'm saying setting clear expectations. I'm saying providing support. I'm saying recognizing, watch this family, achievements. That's what I'm talking about of motivate and leadership combined together. That is going to be what is a true foundation when you're leading a project of setting clear expectations, providing the necessary support, and understanding and when I say understanding and recognizing the achievements that's required. Because when you do this, more stakeholders are going to work with you because they know what they get. They know you're going to inspire them. They know that you're going to recognize their achievement. You're going to set the objective clear even if you guys have to pivot, you're still going to make a clear, conscious, and articulate out the information that you need to articulate out.